So we're about to start the experiment. The first thing you do is to put your thumbnail. You fix it to hold your drawing paper. Then the next thing is that this question will be in the description. You can always go there and look at it. And let me show you what I'm tracing. So the first thing is to trace. Then, as I was doing before, let me finish it up. You trace it from the instruction, which is in the description of the video. You can read it out there and understand what we are doing. So after tracing, you mark your A, B, C, and what? D. So the next thing is that it said I should, you should make your margin, your normal, to be about 1/4. 1/4 means 4 of the length. So from there we have the 1/4 should be around 2.5. So that 2.5, I get my normal. Targets N here, L, and M in this place. So the first angle, I may not finish all these things. I will just show you how to get along with it. Then I will also show you how the graph will look like. So here is 75 with my protractor. I get my 75. Then I draw the line. I make my line. This is 75 degree in my ray. Then I return with my pin. I want you to watch carefully so that you know what to do on that very day. So then I'm going to trace from this angle. Tracing. Then I have I got it here. Okay, here. And the next one, All right. So then what I will remove it now. Then trace this other one, join them together. You join the other end too. So you put your rail, direction of the ray. So this is how it's like. So what next you do from the question, you're going to measure the. So I'm going to measure the distance MO. This place is O from the question. We have O. People have not changed this thing. So I have here is 1 point. I think 1 point here. 1.3. That's 1.3. Then the next one we measure is the distance. Come to your ruler again. What I have here is 6.7. 6.7. So the next thing I will do now is that after this I record, already I've done the experiments. I want to show you what the table is like. So look at the table and the graph. So this is the table. This is the table, how it look like. All the values. If you go through the question in the description of this video, you will be able to understand what you understand what we are doing here, and then you will be able to do your own analysis or experiment. Now this is the graph. This is the graph. In the graph, this is how the graph look like. The graph, I use my scale. My scale is 2 cm to 0.1 unit in cos theta axis, and then 2 cm to 0.1 unit in the beta or whatever, as is the horizontal end of it. So thank you for being part of the class today, and I hope that this is very, very helpful. If you're joining us for the first time, we encourage you to like and then subscribe. Remember to share so that it can reach to other people. All right, thank you so much.